If you're playing Battlefield 6 and your game audio isn't working, here's a quick step-by-step guide to fix it. First of all, go to the search bar on your PC and then open Control Panel. Once it's open, click on Hardware and Sound. Then select Sound. After that, find the active playback device and then right-click on it and select Properties. Now, go to the Advanced tab at the top and here's the part that might be different on your system. Some of you might see the 44100 Hz CD quality option, but in my case, there are only two options under 48,000 Hz DVD quality, one for mono channel and another for stereo channels. So choose the one that works best for you. I recommend selecting stereo because most games including Battlefield 6 use stereo sound. But if you want to test both, go ahead and see which one gives you the best audio experience. After selecting your option, click on Apply and then click OK. Now, go back to the Battlefield 6 and check your audio. You should hear all the game sounds clearly. If it's still not perfect, you can come back and try the other option to see if it works better. And that's all. Your Battlefield 6 audio should now be fixed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.